Who's done that? Send him home. It's game over. Hello. What we saying, people? I'm trying something new today. Got a new pack. It's a veteran army backpack. But I'm doing a tarp camp today, boys and girls, shall we say. I'm thinking I'm going to go from this tree to that tree. Some sort of tarp configuration. Cowboy sleeping we on. But we are looking at the stars, we're looking at the tarp. So yeah, let's try and piece this together then, shall we? I also wanted to run you through my fucking quick deploy Ridgeline. And how it works is, and you pull against that. If you can see, it won't move. But I'll show you into depth in a sec. You can pull this, comes undone. Only thing is though, I've lost my loop. How to do a loop? Pretty fucking simple. If I can show you. 2 loops over each other, piece that one through. Make sure that stays there though. And there you go. Got a little loop. And then what you need is a decent fucking stick. Decent stick. Loop. You bring all these down. That should be enough to ground the tree. You catch that. And then you grab this loop. See that loop? That goes through there. You put the log through there. And just cinch it down. And then that's that. Did you get that? And then this comes round with it. That comes round. And then you bring this one down. Put that in there a sec. I don't know if you can still see. And that's loose, as you can see. And you just pull. There you go, people. Taut line, and then you connect the tarp to these 2 points, depending on how you want your configuration. But I think I'm going to go for one of them, like an L. So I'll be covered, ground sheet. I don't know if that's too high though. We'll see. We'll see. Then you grab your tarp. Can too bad though, is it, people? What do we think? The fuck's that? That's home. That's my new bed, man. Take the levelist. Come a bit more over here. Yeah, man. That's us. protected from rain. Impressive. That is us. That's home. Okay, I'm gonna collect some firewood. Is that dead? All these trees have been marked as well. What is white? Yellow. There's a fucking army of them. Mate, thank God that I bought my hand. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fucking hell, there's spiders fucking everywhere. Spider galore. What the fuck? Army of ants. And them big ants, man. I think I'm living in it. He's died. I think that should do me for tonight. Yeah, I've got more firewood around me. If I do need to put any more wood on the fire, I'll just pick it up as I go. I'm gonna have a chill for 5. Just doing on me. Fuck it off. I don't know what I think about this though, people. Bear bugs. And I got no bug net. Oh no. But yeah, I'm sleeping with the spiders tonight, let me tell you that. I've got to show you the ants over there in a bit, before it goes dark. Because that was ridiculous. It was like a fucking... I wouldn't even say it was an army, it was a nation. It was a community. A fucking big community. If you've seen in my... If you've seen... Oh... Yeah, if you've seen in my latest video, I dug me a fire pit. And I've been watching East Anglian Bushcraft. And by the looks of it, I done mine wrong. We didn't do it deep enough, so I'm gonna try and do it properly today. What we'll do is, I'm thinking, don't want the fire too big. I'll have it here. Oh, sorry. Straight to earth. Quite deep. As you can see. And when I'm done with the fire, I've got fucking natural ground to put on top of it to leave no trace. And that's what I learnt from our East Anglian Bushcraft. So shout out to my guy, you know. Top shaggers. If you know, you know. And then what I usually tend to do is I get my small twigs, break them up, just put a little wooden base on the ground. So when you do put your fire on top, when that fire burns, it's burning this wood underneath as well. Instead of it being on the damp floor, it just helps it burn better. I don't know why, but I do know why. Fuel, oxygen, flame makes fire. You know what I mean? If I'm feeding it more fuel and there's oxygen there, it's only going to be fucking good things to eat. So there you go. I should realistically use my flint and steel which I brought with me. So don't get expecting proper bushcraft techniques today. Still got my fire starters. It's a learning process, man. Just stay with me, stick with me, and I will become the best. My day, imagine someone's up on these hills now just watching me. What am you doing? What do you mean? I don't know. I need a few more tweaks. Another thing, quick fact of the day. Don't drink Red Bull. It's bad for you. But I'm a bad man. Oh, I'll keep that in. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake, Ethan. Such a fucking melt you am. Such a melt. Give me. Nah. He's no fucking good. You won't do nothing him. What about you? Nah, you ain't fucking no good either. You mark bread and butter. Give me. And then break that off as well. I'm a little too persistent with this stick here. Just leave it, Eve. Fuck you then. Ah, mate. Fucking. They call me John Wick. John Wick. More like John Stew. Here we go. I got some more good wood. But this piece here. Do you see that? Breaks so effortlessly. Hang on. People are going to be thinking, what's all that fucking racket? But really, it's just me. Someone's on a bike. Fucking fast as fuck. Imagine if I just caught him on video. Just flying over me. Fuck's sake, Eve. Fuck's sake, Eve. Just chuck one of these round here. I like that combust now. Is that rain? That's what happens now. Whenever I get this prepped. Hang on, is that me? I've got bugs all over me. No, I don't think it is raining, it's just the fucking... No, it is. Yeah, it is. Only lightly. Ever so lightly. But... I just don't need it. Man has got a wound, battle wound in it, bro. Send him home. It's game over. Yeah, I'm gonna get my lights up now. It's gonna get dark in the next hour. Who's done that? Did you see that? Okay, what was I doing now? Putting my fucking lights up. There we go. What fucking light? Obviously, back on they call me the Wish version of Bear Grylls because I just hold the things properly.
When heat, fuel and oxygen are combined in the right amounts, a fire can start and keep burning. This process, called combustion,
or combustion, I don't know, something like that. I'll put a picture up here somewhere. I'm learning now, so if I'm learning, yeah, I need to be learning as well. Just I want to build a good community around here, you get me? Imagine the clothing brand as well. Wild Vardy. Face the wall on the back with a nice little fucking outline of a mountain. Simple, but effective. I'll put a few designs in. Somewhere here. What? Oh, I've got to show you the manse as well. Yeah, we'll leave that for doing what that fire does best. And I'll take you on a little adventure. Best route. Across the log of death. I don't know if I've got it in me. Looking at the camera. Do I look at the camera? Nice. Just gonna find these fucking pesky little ants. Don't know if that's picking up on video. But it's too cold for them. They ain't adventuring. There's ones carrying fucking mosquitoes. Carrying fucking... Mate, they was just on job. They was on fucking job. I'll show you the family of ants tomorrow. Not a family. Fucking tribe. Not even a tribe. It was more like a community gathering from different states. So the fucking... Yeah. I'm gonna stop waffling now because half of my fucking gibberish don't make sense. Parkour. Parkour! But yeah. I've got my own little moat so no one can get to me from this side anyway. If someone wants to come down there, they can come fucking roly-poly down the hill. But yeah. And there you have it. Fire's doing what fires do. I'll cut back to you when I've got a fucking hot dog I'll cut back to you when I've got a hot dog, jacket potato and beans, or a steak. We're eating good tonight, people. So yeah, what will I have? Put it down in the comments what you think I'm going to be getting. What eating. Oh no. Okay, I got my hot dogs. Oh, fucking almost fucking gone over. Fire's going nicely. Hopefully they're good. Not too shabby. I literally just smoked out the place, so I put my hot dogs on. Went for a fucking little walk. Come back, they were fucking steaming over. Flooded the fire. It's a good hot dog. It's missing some ketchup though or something. Yeah. I need your feedback. Is it sound putting these on the fire and then cooking from it? Because my old man said it's ain't good for you. But I've been doing it now for the past 2 years and nothing's happened to me. So if you could let me know in the comments down below if I'm going to die in the near future, that'd be lovely. Let's have another one then, shall we? True shabby. This long stick will burn down, snap in half. Do the process again, snap it in half. Just why I gotta saw it up. Not like you asked, like, I just thought I'd let you know. Put my belly on so nothing can crawl in my ears. What? Nah, fuck off. Could someone please tell me what this sound was? I still don't even know now. What? The fuck was that? Well, that was a bit funky. It's absolutely lovely. Apart from that sound then. Absolutely lovely. Not to touch this and listen to that steak sizzle. Fires up in seconds. Yes, my people. I've got my steak here. It's fucking really hot though. I just fucking had a bite because it's a cast iron pan. I forgot it was still bare out. I think there's somebody else here. Hello. Back to the yeah, food ASMR. Siri, pause music. Just pause that so we don't get copyrighted. We don't want that. It's a mukbang this is actually. Yeah, story time. From today actually. I went on the bus. Not on the bus, sorry. On the tram, then on the train. Jumped on the train from somewhere to Kidderminster. And this geezer come up to me, this bloke. He's like, do you play noughts and crosses? I was like, nah. I was like, chess? I was like, nah. And he goes, Connect 4? I was like, oh yeah, I'll have a go at that mush. Fucking sits down next to me, mush, gets his phone out, puts his phone down, and playing fucking Connect 4. Then we played fucking noughts and crosses. He kept beating me, he's like some fucking champion. Played him at chess. He's some fucking champion in the fucking, from, you know, not in the UK, but in some selected region. So yeah, shout out to him. Something different, ain't much, you know what I mean? So, get yourself out there, try something new. And you never know, we might end up on the train playing fucking noughts and crosses with a stranger. And now look at me. Eating a steak. What more could you ask for in life? Fire's roaring. I've had a few spiders I've had to flick away. Fuck off. Get rid. But yeah. I think that's all I've got for story time. I think I'm going to carry on eating my food because you can probably hear me slurping away. But yeah, shout out your mum, shout out your dad, mush. Just woke up. Oh, it's raining. What bird keep on? I started sleeping here and then I've been way over there. Fuck off. Oh, what are we saying, people? Decent night. Woke up about 4 o'clock in the morning. Had a chocolate bar and a drink. Went back to sleep. Somehow ended up from over here to over here. I don't know how that happened. It's currently, I think, 9 o'clock. 10 past 9. Put the radio on.
Welcome. Channel on.
Warm in there though. I think I'm going to chill for a couple hours and then maybe get moving then. We'll see. I don't know. But this is me for a while. I could get fire on and heat my pancakes up. I don't know if I will though. Can you hear the woodpecker? That woodpecker's on job, man. Started early this morning. Okay. Let's get this wrapped up then, people, then, shall we? Go on. End the recording. End recording. End the recording. Stop recording. Oh, fuck off. Stop recording.